I don't even want to wake up. I look like my eyes haven't wake up yet. I'll be right back. Because the time now is actually 10:43 a.m. and it's a Monday. I was supposed to wake up early, I know, but then what's the point of waking up early when it's a holiday? My voice also haven't wake up. Please bear with my voice until my voice actually wake up. Dia masih tidur lagi. I'll be showing you guys a day in my life holiday edition. So you guys might think that I wake up at 8 o'clock, start working out, eat healthy and all those stuff, but I'm not that girl that you're looking for. Like legit, if you're trying to be productive, I'm very sorry. This is just basically me lazing around all day long because that's me. It's a holiday. Without any further ado, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get into today's video.
அப்படியே வெச்சிருவேன் போயிரணும்.
மேல குட்டு விளக்கல she cooking morning. This one what ma?
Pea.
Okay. This pea. This is, I'm scared to stand beside fire. This sardine. Yesterday one, I don't like sardine. So in the meantime, when my mom is cooking, I go mandi.
என்னன்னு தெரியுமா?
Takkali podu.
தக்காளி.
My mom improved a lot of cooking by the time I come out of the toilet. Okay, go wash it and come. So I just got all dressed. You guys saw me taking black color shirt but I'm wearing red color shirt. That is because I stole my amma shirt from her cupboard. Today I'm not going to apply any makeup now because I'll be recording a video after this. So what's the point of applying any makeup or any moisturizer on the face because I later will apply. My daily routine usually when I start off my day is I will apply my QV. This bottle is like 1 liter, like 1000 milliliter, and I drink 3 of these per day, but still my lips can crack. I have no idea why. This is like my bottle from last night 2 a.m. till now, and this much of water is left. So I also drink in the middle of the night. I have no idea how I wake up and I drink, but I do drink in the middle of the night. So to start off my day, water. Short story about myself. Last time my sugar level, I don't usually check it and I eat whatever I want to eat. So there's one time when I go to the clinic, they told me that after doing the blood test, not clinic, I went to the pharmacy. After they did my blood test, they told me that I'm in the borderline of getting diabetics, like legit. So I got really very scared. That entire week after like listening to them, I did not eat chocolate, I did not eat ice cream, I did not drink anything sweet. I drank like gallons of water, like so much of water. And then like 2 weeks later, my mom brought me back to the pharmacy again and they were like, wow, it's 4 point something. It's supposed to be 5, but it's 4 point something, which means your sugar level is low. You have to start eating. Then I'm like, if I eat, it goes beyond the limit. If I don't eat, it goes very less. So I'm like at the phase now, I eat whatever I want to eat, but I drink a lot of water. There's also consequences I have to face if I drink a lot of water, which is paru-paru baraif, like, you know, you don't pee enough. I guess my face haven't wake up yet. I still look very puffy. It's okay. Let's go see what my mom is cooking in the kitchen because I have a serious stomach pain now. Jom pergi makan. So this is what we have for today. Chicken sambal, and then yesterday sardine which I won't eat, and this is my rice. What?
இத வீட கூட்டிட்டு வா நான் மூவ் பண்ணிடுறேன் வீட.
Sleep now, let us sleep.
No, இப்ப.
I want to eat video first.
ஏய் பில்லு செக் பண்ணு.
Video first.
உன்னை கொன்றுல கழுத்து நெரிச்சி நான் சொல்லிட்டேன்.
caught on 4K. If I die, it's my mom. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna edit my video. But then my mom say must sweep the house first. So குடும்பக்கே குத்து வெளுக்கலடா I want to sweep the house.
வீட்டுக்கு அந்த குத்து வழக்கு அப்புறமா பேசலாம். முத கோழி பொரிச்சிட்டு கீழே விழுந்துச்சு. அப்ப எண்ணெயா இருக்குதானே?
Ma, you keep chicken fall down onto us.
அதான் நல்லா இருக்கும். இப்ப கீழே போட்டு பரட்டி எடுத்தாதான் டேஸ்டி.
Time check, it's around 1:55 p.m. right now. So usually at this time, at 1:55 p.m. I'll start to get ready for my Instagram, YouTube videos and everything. So now is the time I'll actually put on my makeup. I have to hurry because I only have time until 3 o'clock because Mahin will have class at 3. So I have to get everything done by 3 o'clock and then I have to come back again. So I'm going to start doing my makeup. It's all going to be in a time lapse, I guess. So let's get the makeup started. Today I'm gonna wear something modernish, not traditional. Also, I had the weirdest dream yesterday. Like, I was wearing lenses in my dream and I am actually very paranoid of lenses because there's this one time when I was studying in college, I was wearing the clear lens. So I started crying in class due to some personal issues, and when I was crying in class, I really didn't know that my lens fell off. So I thought the lens went behind because there are possibilities for the lens to go behind your eye. So I thought the lens went behind my eye. I started freaking out. I called my mom. Then my mom brought me to the clinic and they legit pulled my eyes to check whether the lens is in my eye. And the doctor was like, "Don't wear lenses. Your eyes is like very deeply affected because of the lens." It was extremely very dry, like Kamarao in my eyes because there's no water in my eyes at all. So I stopped wearing lenses for like about a year. I think after college until I entered MMU, I never wear lens at all. Then recently I started wearing lenses and I had the weirdest dream yesterday. Yesterday what happened in my dream was the lenses in my left eye, when I took it out, it was basically very dry lah, my eye. So when I pulled it out, it came out in pieces, like a bit by a bit came out. Like it started tearing in my eye because it's very dry. So at this one point, there's this one particular small lens was stuck in my eye and I couldn't take it out. And I woke up this morning thinking that I had lenses in my eye. I told my mom that I'm never going to wear lens again, but I have my lenses here. I know, right? Digga, don't learn from my mistakes. The same grey lens that's stuck into my eye, I'm putting into my eye. God, please be good to me. One eye grey, one eye black. Digga's spending session is back. If you watch my previous video, you know what this is. I need to rush. I really need to rush, or else nobody's going to take my video from me. So I finished doing my makeup. It's very how to say pretty right now because even I put pink color underneath my eye, so the pink color all went into my eye. I'm very smart to do that, I know. So the outfit for today was actually picked by Amelia. I'll be wearing a skirt. This is actually from Shopee. If the Shopee haul is out by now, you guys would have seen this already. And I'll be pairing this skirt with this green color crop top. But it looks more like a blouse because I bought the extra big size, which is the M size. I'll see you guys after getting ready. So this is the attire for today. This is how it looks like. My first time wearing a skirt too. This is not my comfort zone. Trust me, this is not my comfort zone. I don't usually wear like this. I'm more like the juicy shorts kind of girl, but let's do this. So what I'm going to do for my hair today is I'm going to tie a ponytail. Pull 2 strands of hair so that you don't look like a sotachi. This is my full outfit check. I'll bring you guys along for the photography session now. I got a few pictures, but the pictures were horrible. So I asked Mahin to go back home and I'm gonna take my own pictures, and I have no idea how to do it. Let's try my level best and see. Man, this is gonna be very hard for me. I just set up my camera over there and I'm sitting down here. If anybody kidnaps me, I'm so dead, but it's okay. You know, life is all about risking, right? I'm gonna do it. Trust me, it was a major flop. I saw a creepiest guy up there just now and I didn't want to be there because anything can happen anytime. Like legit, it was very quiet up there and I lost my way back home though. This way. And also, I did something to my leg. Look there. Yep, that happened to my leg. So I guess I'm gonna call off the photo shoot. I'm just gonna go back home and record a normal video. If my brother was there just now, I would have continued taking pictures, but then nobody was there, so I really dare not stay there. Go up lah. I'm sweating like hell. I ran away from the guy. And my leg leg also damn pain. Okay guys, I'm done with all of my recording. It's currently 5:30. I've been recording like for 2 to 3 hours straight ever since 3 o'clock just now. I'm gonna call off this recording part because look at the mess that I've created. All this mess, I have to clean it up before my dad comes back home. So I'll go wash my makeup and I'll start cleaning it again. My makeup not that bad today. I never use highlight, but I contoured my face. Then I go wash my face, which is the hardest part. And cleaning up the mess, which is slightly hard. I just removed my makeup, and when I was cleaning my makeup box, this happened. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I slit my finger using my eyebrow razor. It's quite deep. I love recording, man. This is a true a day in my life because Divya is not Divya if she doesn't hurt herself. Man, it's really very deep. It was just like 2 days ago, I think, when I recovered from this swelling of my index finger, and now it's my second finger. The blood not stopping. I'ma die.
எனக்கு மட்டும் பிழையா காதல் எனக்கு மட்டும்
Now I hurt my leg. Now I hurt my finger. No, cannot show me the finger. Now I hurt my finger. Next, what am I gonna hurt? Myself, my heart. Just gonna sit down here until my blood actually stops for real. The time when I saw that thing slit, my eyebrow razor, when it slit my finger, I legit saw my EC flesh. I saw my flesh. It was red, pink. Yeah, it was pink. Just gonna be a good girl and keep quiet and stare at my finger and my leg. This is very sad. I keep on hurting myself. God. So it's around 6:40 p.m. right now. I went to check the time just now, and I guess I'm gonna call off this video because that's basically what I do a day in my life. Basically getting hurt, recording video, putting on makeup, watching Netflix, eating, and yeah, that's what I do a day in my life. And what I'm gonna do after this, like after I put down the camera and everything, is basically heat up my food, makan, because my mom cooked chicken sambal this morning, so I'm gonna heat up that food and eat. That's it. I'll see you guys in the upcoming video. Until then, make sure to take care of yourself, get your vaccination. I also got my first shot, Pfizer's one. Second shot is not done yet. I'll see you guys in the upcoming video. Until then, you can make a difference. Bye guys.